Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I have a Leslie 122 amplifier here that I restored. And it is now sold. Let me show you what it looks like underneath, under the hood, as Brother Willie Huddleston says. He says, let's see what's under the hood, Doc. So this is what it looks like under the hood. Just to point out some of the features, I have, of course, a new mechanical relay here. New volume potentiometer. Of course, you see the new orange caps, orange drops, capacitors. But here, this is a RHXY safety rated set of capacitors, which are very important for filtering out RH radio waves, especially, you know, the kind that come out of the AM radio stations or somebody's mic, cordless mic. I have in terms of the cathode bypass capacitor, instead of the regular 200 or 220 microfarad that you often see here, the customer wanted me to install a 1000 microfarad and 50 volt cathode bypass capacitor, and electrolytic, of course, and it is thought by some techs that it enhances the bass response. So my client wants that. That's what my client gets. And you see the rest of it here. Installed a new wire wound resistor there, some new resistors here and here. These check good, man. This thing sounds beautiful. I made a video of this amp on yesterday, and it's sounds very good. It sounds the way it's supposed to sound. Hammond Doc style. All right, well, that's enough for this video. This is Dr. Kemp. If you want your Leslie 122 or 147 to sound factory fresh, contact Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, at Vintage B3 Organ at Outlook.com. That's Vintage B3 Organ, one word, at Outlook.com, and I'll be happy to respond to your email and give you the hookup like this. This is one that, this is an amp that belonged to me, that I rebuilt, refurbished, and the client saw it, and he wanted it, needed it for his job, and so I sold it to him. But that's not an issue for the Hammond Doc. I have amps. See all those boxes? Those are amps. So I got plenty of amps. I can sell you an amp. I can pull an amp off the shelf and refurbish it for you. Look at all those. So I got amps, plenty of amps. 147s, that's the red tab, the 147, the black tab, that's labels, black labels is 122, red labels is 147. Then I got, look, 22 H's right here. I got 47s mixed up in there somewhere. I got 251 amplifiers. Look on the bottom shelf, right up at the top, 251. They in there, I'm telling you. And I have others. So, in another location. So, if you need an amplifier and you want me to build one for you, I have them that I can do that, and I can sell you one, because I have what I need that I've already rebuilt. I rebuilt these for my Leslie's, and I see I have all these rebuilt. These go into my Leslie cabinets. So if you want me to do the same thing that I've done for myself over here for you, which I have over here, I can do that. This is Dr. Kemp. I'm the Hammond Doc. Till the next video. Peace out.